Oh my goodness, this is paradise. I just want to soak in this moment and just thank you, God, for this opportunity. Thank you for the means of being able to travel. Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
Just fight a little longer, my friend. It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you.
I'm hanging on by.
Y'all, all my bikinis is from Shein. The hotel's a mess, but Shein is where I get my bikinis from. So if anybody asks, I need to do a Shein haul for real, for real. Whew. Yes. So the pool actually does not open until 9 o'clock, but it's like 8. It's like 8 o'clock, and so she told me that I could come in here. So, oh, the sun was definitely right there. Anyway, that was nice of her to tell me that I could come in here. So I am going to, actually, I need to be, I don't know where I'm gonna sit at. I need to be somewhere where the sun is. I guess I'll just sit right here since, yeah, I'm gonna just sit right here in this little spot. All right, let me get ready to relax. Oh my goodness, this is paradise. I just want to soak in this moment and just thank you, God, for this opportunity. Thank you for the means of being able to travel. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Whew. The next 7 days without work, like I get to just chill and relax and just really bask in this moment. That's just really what I wanted out of this trip, is just to bask in the moment, to just be one in the moment, to be one with God and to be one with self. That was really the meaning of this trip. So that's why I did a solo trip, y'all, because I just didn't want the headache of people not wanting to do, you know, everybody wanting to do different things, which that's okay, but I just really wanted just to be calm and to just relax. Just actually relax and like just soak it in. Y'all don't know how amazing this is. Well, if y'all don't know how amazing a solo trip is, and this is really only my day 1, because yesterday, y'all know, was the traveling and stuff, and whew, honey, that almost made me tap out and go home. But I hung in there. And I'm just so excited I did. So I'm gonna get my little couple of hours worth this hotel, because I actually leave in like 2 or 3 hours to go to another hotel. So let me just relax and I will talk to you soon. God is so good. God is so good. Thank you. This version. Okay. Hold on. You said what? Yeah, I thought I was going to get in this water, but it is really kind of cold. So I just got my feet in here. Whew. See, I just have my feet in here. It's really cold, but I'm gonna get in here, I think. I have to just warm up for a little bit. Whew. I don't know, y'all, it's cold. Goodness, it's really freezing. I literally feel like I'm in paradise. It's like the bomb. Whew. This is how. Okay. Wait, is my lens foggy? Okay. This is, oh, it kind of stinks. So freaking cool. Are you used to this? No, like doing stuff like this. No. Look, I can like walk around. Our tour guide. Yeah, where's he at? I don't have one of those.
I can help you with that. Do you have the key?
Yeah. I'm gonna pay him first.
Okay, sure. Can I use the...
Yeah.
This?
It's too heavy?
No.
Oh.
But it's smart, right? It's smart.
So I could walk like all around here?
Yeah.
You gonna tell me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, But first, I'm going to show you your room. After that, I must need to show you the two restaurants because it's so important that you know the place that you are.
Yes.
Yeah. After that, we're going to come back with the taxi driver and try to pay him. He said that he doesn't care, that he can wait like a little bit. 10, 15 minutes, it's okay, it's okay. He's not going to charge you more. Yeah, right here in Costa Rica, many people from resorts and hotels, they speak English. We are very friendly, my culture, friendly with all the people around.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Yeah, we have the hammock. Okay, at night, you could turn on this light and that one right here. Right here, the lights from the hotel are very low because we're trying to protect the environment.
Okay.
We have many different frogs and insects, and they don't like too much the light. So you have this light and that one, and also inside the room. So
this is so beautiful. Okay.
Yeah. So right here, you only need to put it on. Now. So right here, this is the one light that we have.
Okay.
This is the room. We have a coffee maker right here.
All right, y'all. It literally took me 3 hours. 3 hours. I know I look super hot and super sweaty. It took me 3 hours. Oh my goodness. I thought I closed the door. It took me 3 hours to get to this hotel. This hotel is in the middle of the rainforest, y'all. As you can see. Trying to get a little better. Anyway, it is in the middle of the rainforest. Everything around me is just like nature. It is so bomb. I'm about to like wash my face and stuff because I'm super sweaty. My nose ring is always hanging out. I'm about to wash my face and stuff. It's hot everywhere. Let me tell y'all that. Costa Rica is so humid. Like, you will be washing your face a couple of times a day. But I'm about to shower. Well, I'm not gonna shower. I'm definitely gonna rinse off, and then I'm gonna put my bathing suit on because I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna go in the hot springs and relax. I've been dying to get to the hot springs. So there was a hot springs tour. Let me tell y'all. Let me step outside because it's just a little cooler. Let me step outside real quick. I should really get in this hammock, but you know, I'm gonna just get right here and talk to y'all real quick. So there was actually a hot springs and volcano tour, right? But the tour was like $360. I had booked it, but it was $360, but it was for one day. Yeah, where would have stayed? It was only for one day anyway, so y'all, it is hot. Like, you could tell. I don't even know how I'm making a video like this, to be honest. Whew. I really don't know. I don't know how I'm making a video like this, but y'all. So anyway, there was a hot springs and volcano tour, but the tour was $360. So I didn't even, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't even know where I would have stayed if I would have booked that tour, because it would have just been the tour. And then, oh, you know what? They did have transportation back and forth. They did have transportation. But anyway, it just was cheaper to, actually, it really wasn't that much cheaper. Dang, it really wasn't, because I had to pay $140 in a taxi to get here by my friend David. That's who I was in the car with. David is so nice. I had to pay $140 to get here. I'm staying in this Rainforest hotel for 2 days. The price of this for 2 nights was $340. So $140 to get here. It includes breakfast, $340 for a 2-night stay. And I have access to the hot springs. I have access to a lot of natural water things around here. There's a pool, there's a restaurant. So I can see the volcano from here. But I think tomorrow I am gonna go to like do hanging bridges and get closer to the volcano. Because you can see it, but I want to be like really close to it. So I'm actually just about to go put on my bathing suit right now and take a dip in this hot springs and maybe go over to the pool. I have dinner reservations at 8:30. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and relax. I should probably chill and read for a little bit, but we'll see. I'm gonna show y'all down at the hot springs and stuff. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm gonna definitely show y'all the hot springs, and you know, y'all gonna be with me. So let's do this. Let's do this, y'all. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Costa Rica, Costa Rica, hey, hey. No, this has really been the bomb though. I've been having so much fun, y'all. Let me show y'all my bathing suit. Y'all know I get all my bathing suits. I almost fell. Y'all know I get all my bathing suits from Shein, right? Shein, I love Shein. I didn't get the cover up. Actually, my mom gave me this cover up. It probably don't even match, but all right, that's not gonna work. That is my beautiful one piece. I feel like I should have definitely had like a little shoot in that. In this, but we're gonna go to the hot springs. Now this is a whole new area I gotta record in, so people gonna be looking at me. Oh no, it's a lot of people in the hot springs. I'm super scared now, but it's okay. Scared. Anybody else hate when their ears stick out like that? I don't know, it's making your ears look so big. All right, we're gonna go see what the hot springs is, so I shall be back.
Finally don't get enough, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Costa Rican food is really good, actually. So it was really good.